Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of What the Chart Says. On this episode we'll be looking at Zenith Bank stock. We'll review the stock as it is one of the stock that the international investors are looking at. Before you go further, I think I will advise that you check our previous video on market sentiments done yesterday. It will enable you to see whether it's ripe or not to invest in the stock exchange. Thank you. Let's go further. Our disclaimer next. Note that this video or presentation, as the case may be, is not a trading advice, and if you want to invest in the stock market, kindly consult your financial advisor. And also note that the past performance does not guarantee future results. Thank you very much. Now let's go to the technical analysis for Zenith Bank. Let's go to the chart to see what the chart says. This is the chart for Zenith Bank of Nigeria. On the daily, it's making high highs. It made high highs previously, but now it's lower lows and lower highs. Let's go to the monthly before we analyze the daily. Look interesting there. In terms of the monthly, data, let's draw a trend line. The data start from 2004. I'm not sure that's where Zenith started operating. However, it has already made a highs, so not a bad stock to say the least. But recently it's breaking some lows, so the recent lows now is happened in March during the COVID-19. Broke the low of 1580 thereabout. Then market came down to around 1089 before it pulled a rally up, and it's now coming back. Yes, I mentioned it in our previous video that liquidity here will be tested, and price came close to it last week and pulled back again. That was but the month is yet to come to end. For now, what we can see, it's market is recently making lower lows and lower highs. That's trending low, not very good for the stock. And personally, I expect the market to retest this low at 14.30 thereabout, 14 naira 30 kobo thereabout, because that's where the liquidity is. The trend is not bad long term, but the recent happenings is not encouraging as well. It's making lower lows and lower highs. So let's see what happened here. So for now, the target price will be at 14.30. Otherwise, if market violate that level, price is coming down to below 11 naira. Below 11 naira, it can test the trend line. But that means the market is not very good. You can test the trend line. Not looking good in terms of long term, but let's see what happens when it get to 14.30. For now, the stock is not looking good. All right, that's 14.30 That's our target price. For the weekly, let's go to the before we go to the weekly, let's see the volume. What happened to the volume in June? In June, yeah, it declined, so it doesn't have good weights accompanying it. That's the June bear candle doesn't have good weight. May and April had better volume, over 700 million in April, and in May, sorry, that's over almost 700 million as well. But in June, we have half of that, that's 300 million. So it's not carrying enough weight, so we're expecting some pullback at this 1430 long time. Okay, let's go to the weekly. For the weekly, any highs? Yes, that's a good one. Highs happened there, but where we have liquidity actually is at 1404. That's 14 naira. 14 naira down to, yeah, you can test 12 naira again. From 12 naira to 14 naira, that would be the medium to long term target for Zenith Bank. So this level here, let me save it for future reference. Okay. But last week, it's not a good rejection. I don't like this kind of rejection, but still rejection. But what I'm expecting next week actually is for market to retrace back here to test this low, the low of last week, and possibly coming down to 14 naira. And if it's not rejected, that means it's coming down to 12 naira to test it. But if it's rejected, if there's any rejection here, we can see some reversal. We might see some reversal. That's for medium time, because we're looking at weekly data. So in terms of Zenith Bank, it's still between 12 and 14 naira. That's the target price, 12 and 14 naira. All right, let's go to the daily. In terms of volume, when the market is rising, let's see the average value. That the market is rising, this is the volume is high, but when the market is falling, see the volume is reducing. So it's medium time, you can reverse between 12 and 14 naira. That's good for Zenith Bank in terms of medium time value. Okay, let's see the short term, daily. Let's go to the daily time frame. What's daily telling us in terms of daily time frame? Let me expand the chart a little bit. Recent happenings from, is it daily? Yeah, that's daily from May. So we have fewer data. What happened? A lot of holidays in Nigeria. All right. Okay. In terms of the daily, it's making lower lows and yet to break it. Yeah, it's making lower lows. Yet to break the low towards the uptrend. However, yeah, we as we said earlier, we're looking at between 12 and 14. However, if in case market maker did not take the price there, what we want to see happening on the short term is the price to rally above 1650 thereabout, to rally above here, then a pullback or retest of that level again is what we're expecting. And if there is any rejection, a good time to buy in case market did not fall. What I see from the chart between Thursday and Friday is inside bar. So with inside bar, the market can continue to go up, to go on the upside. That is what I'm expecting short term. But looking at the market breadth, I'm not expecting much to happen based on that. If it's rally up, I'm expecting some rejection at above below 70 naira. The market will be rejected and can reverse back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the analysis for Zenith Bank. Uh, Medium-term outlook and long-term outlook is between 12 and 14 naira, but short-term possibility of going up is there, but I don't see that taking good fit as the market bright. It's not good as the market bright for the Nigeria Stock Exchange is not looking interesting for at the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the review for Zenith Bank. If you have any comments, please drop it below, and remember to subscribe so that you get a notification as I'm dropping videos for other stock analysis. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.